Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology in 2 days. Begin by identifying the most crucial topics, such as cell structure, DNA replication, and basic ecological principles. Dedicate the first day to understanding these core concepts deeply, perhaps spending about 4 hours on active learning. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks, like 45 minutes of focused work followed by a 15-minute break. This approach helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. On day 1, after prioritizing, dive into active recall. Create flashcards for key terms and definitions, or simply quiz yourself on what you've just read. Instead of just memorizing facts, strive to understand the why and how behind biological processes like photosynthesis or cellular respiration. Visual aids are incredibly helpful. Spend time analyzing diagrams of organ systems or molecular structures to solidify your comprehension. Day 2 is all about application and refinement. Start by tackling a significant number of practice questions. This helps you understand the exam format and identify knowledge gaps. Once you've pinpointed your weaker areas, dedicate specific time to reviewing those topics. A powerful technique is to explain complex biological concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This process reveals any lingering confusion and strengthens your grasp of the material. As you approach the end of your 2-day study period, perform a rapid, high-level review of all the major topics you've covered. This final sweep helps to consolidate everything in your mind. Remember, adequate rest is just as crucial as studying. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Finally, maintain a positive and confident mindset. Believe in your ability to absorb and recall the information effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.